Alright, so next on the agenda, I want to try and get this wrap off the doors. I'm thinking heat gun, because otherwise it's really fragile. But with a bit of heat, it did start to pull up. You just gotta burn the shit out of your fingers. Yeah. Right, so there's one. So the doors are really clean, they're mint. They've freshly been painted when I brought them. And when I was taking the decals off, you could actually smell the paint. But these doors are absolutely mint. Because they're the street fighter ones with the alley skins. So they are fully clean. Be worth a small fortune, these bloody doors, but now, not even a dink. Right, go the other side, shall I? Oh, God. Right, doors are done. Windscreen back in. Need a rubber. Nothing worse than fixing it and you realise it's far too far one way, not the other. Job done. Give it a quick clean. There's soapy water, one of the white sold VO5 things. Here's one of these because that fits inside the rubber. Yeah. Yeah. Ta-da! Right, so this is where we are now. Screens in. So what I might do is take it outside, turn it around, put it back in. So we can do the back end. Yeah, I like that idea. Right, let's take all these back out. It's just in here, get out of the way. The back can stay there. We need to do is bolt it down. Which is easy enough. Just loads of nuts and bolts. And we need to blow the fuel line out. Dug a gun. If I'm getting lazy now, I've got a dug a gun. Well, I call it a dug a gun. It's an impact driver thing. It's really good. One of these things. It's really good. I should have got one years ago. But I didn't. This is how most people just fit these things. There's just literally loads of nuts and bolts going all the way around. We can put a seal underneath. It just stops all the dust and that. And all that is it's like a foam, and it's got like a double-sided stuff on it. So what I'll do is just going to pop a few in just to locate it. This is really overkill, to be honest. It doesn't need this many bolts in. Yeah. One more, right here. now what we've got some going up underneath into the back seat bench. There we go. Jesus. Right, so I'll put this onto me outlet. And then we'll get some air. Yeah. I'll just throw in petrol. Very stale petrol. That stinks. I've just launched it all over my bench. Why didn't you tell me that was going to happen, people? Huh? Right, so I've cleaned up some of the mess because some of the shit that came out of there went everywhere. Yeah. And it stank like varnish, so I'm happy I did. Blow it out. So, we're going to get our fuel pump back. Take the captive bolts out because I put some bolts in to stop the rubbish getting in. So that's going to go there. Which one of these is in there? That's in, and that's out. What I want to do is I'm going to have a look through my lines and see if I've got anything that will fit that. AN wise. Right, so the boot floor's in. Pump's sitting there. Somewhere in this garage, I've got a coil, a fuel hose, and I can't find it. So the tank's in, but we're going to have to wait until I can order a load more fuel hose. I've no idea where it's gone. So boot's done. Put another light in it. Inside is pretty much done. I've still got to wire up the rev limiter and launch control thing. I didn't put this somewhere in, somebody else has. So I've got to fix that. There's a few other little odds and sods. Not much really. And a couple of bits around here. So there's not much left really, you know. Just waiting for an engine. Really. But I do need this thing out of the way. So I think tomorrow, get the front end back on, I might give it a wash. Yeah? Give it a bit of a clean. I know this has been a very random video. Bits here, bits there, bits all over the place, but he's just doing little jobs that needed to be done. Right, well, thanks for watching my little video, and I'll see you in the next one.